then the next one is by the action of phosphorus halide. Okay, in this reaction, first to take one alcoholic group. What is the name of this compound? Is ethanol, and react with phosphorus pentachloride. Okay, you see that there is ethyl group. Okay, there is phosphorus and chloride. Phosphorus react with the oxygen. Okay, there is possibility that phosphorus react with oxygen and form phosphorus oxochloride, PO and Cl3. Okay, POCl3. This is the phosphorus oxochloride. Plus one hydrogen also react with chlorine and form HCl. Okay, then only one chlorine left, and this chlorine react with the ethyl group and form haloalkane, or you say that chloroethane. The next one is third one, by the action of thionyl chloride. Okay, by the action of thionyl chloride. What is the formula of thionyl chloride? SOCl2. Okay, this is the formula, SOCl2. Okay, you react the thionyl chloride with alcohol to take ethanol and SOCl2. Okay, we know that ethyl group react with the chloride. Okay, basis of ion plus there is a oxygen is present, oxygen react with the SO and form SO2. One hydrogen is left and one chlorine is also left. It means they form HCl. So this is a chloroethane. Okay, then the next one is, second one is from the hydrocarbon. Okay, first one is by the alkane. Okay, how can we prepare the haloalkane? By the help of alkanes. It is very simple. Okay, you take one alkane group, any compound of alkane, and hydrogen of alkane will substitute by the halogen. Okay, just like you see, this is a methane. Okay, when the one hydrogen of methane will substitute by the one halogen, then CH3Cl will form and HCl also form. Okay, or you say that remove. So this is a reaction, and haloalkane will form by the alkane group. Okay, now C2H6. Now you substitute one hydrogen. ठीक है, then C2H5Cl plus Cl, chloroethane, or you say that haloethane is formed. Okay, then the third one is, or say that the second one of second, okay, by the hydrocarbon. So the second one is by the alkene group, okay, by the alkenes. How can we form the haloalkane? By the help of alkenes. I will explain. When the halogen acid react with the alkene group, okay, then the haloalkane will form, okay, and the addition of halogen acid is following the Markovnikov rules. Okay, what is the Markovnikov rules? Markovnikov rules. The Markovnikov rules is this: the addition of halogen, the addition of halogen in alkenes is where the number of less hydrogen are present, okay, according to Markovnikov. Bromine want to add on those places where the number of less hydrogen are present, okay. It is called Markovnikov rules, okay. I will show you chemical reaction, okay. So chemical reaction is this is a alkenes, this is a halogen acid, okay. You see that this is a, they both carbon having a double bond, okay, and both the carbon having a, okay, then there are two hydrogen in this carbon and one hydrogen with this carbon, okay. So according to Markovnikov, this halogen will join with this carbon, okay, and this compound is prepared. And what is the name of this compound? Is 2-bromopropane, okay. Okay, then the second one is anti-Markovnikov rules, okay. First one is Markovnikov, second one is anti-Markovnikov rules. What is anti-Markovnikov rules? According to anti-Markovnikov rules, addition of halogen acid in alkenes will happen in the presence of peroxide, okay, presence of peroxide. And one more thing is hydrogen add with the carbon who having a more hydrogen, okay. Remember that. I will write a question. This is a alkene, this is a halogen acid, benzoyl peroxide, okay. According to anti-Markovnikov, this bromine is added with this carbon, okay, this double bond having carbon, and hydrogen add in this, okay. This is the compound. What is the name of this compound? Is 1-bromopropane, okay, 1-bromopropane. This is the anti-Markovnikov rules. and anti-Marconic occurrence is also called Kharas effect. Okay, it is also called Kharas effect or peroxide effect.